What's up, technicians? Welcome to Respect the Technique, where we celebrate the greatest thing in the world, techniques, the solution to all of our problems and the cause of at least half of them. No technique is too big or small. Today we're going to do a very basic technique for the kitchen, which is how to secure your cutting board with wet paper towels so it doesn't move around on you while you're doing knife work. Okay, so very simple. You get yourself a couple of paper towels. Take them over to the sink, get them wet, and you want to squeeze out as much water as you can. Then you unfold them, refold them lengthwise, fold it in half, fold it in half again. If you have a bigger cutting board, you can get multiple towels and set it up around the edges in different configurations. You just lay them down like that, put the cutting board on top, and that baby will not move. It's very solid. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope that's useful for you in your kitchen. And we'll be back very soon with another technique. Much love, technicians. See you next time.